Hello everyone, welcome back to Beyond Diary. Today we will learn how to crochet this cute little butterfly. This is a super easy pattern, even beginners can try. And if you want this same butterfly with a bigger size, simply change your crochet hook and the bigger size yarn. And if you want a smaller size butterfly, go for a lace weight yarn and a smaller size crochet hook. For today's butterfly, I used this sport weight yarn with 2.5mm crochet hook. Okay, now let's get started. First, make a slip knot. Okay, here we made a slip knot. Now from here make chain 5. Okay, I made 5 chains. Now we're gonna do a double treble crochet. For that you have to do is yarn over 3 times, and here you have 4 loops on your hook. Now go to the first chain space here and then make a double treble crochet. So insert the hook from the first chain and then grab the yarn. Now we have 5 loops on our hook. Now yarn over and then pull through from the first 2 loops. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Now again yarn over and then pull through from 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops. Again yarn over and then pull through 2 loops. Now at the end we have 2 loops. So last again yarn over and then pull through from both loops. So here we made a double treble crochet. Now we're gonna do a treble crochet. For that yarn over twice. Here we have 3 loops on our hook. Now insert the hook from the same space, which is the first chain space, and then pull up a loop. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Now yarn over and then pull through 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops. At the end we have 2 loops on our hook. Now again yarn over and then pull through from all. So here we made a treble crochet. So we're going to do the same thing one more time. For that yarn over twice and then insert the hook from the same space here into the first chain space and then make a treble crochet. So in the treble crochet we are pulling through 2 loops by 3 times. Okay, here we made 2 treble crochets into the same space. Now make 1 double crochet into the same space. For that yarn over and then insert the hook from the same space and pull up a loop. Now yarn over, pull through 2 and again yarn over, pull through 2. So here we made a double crochet. Now from here make chain 2 and then make a slip stitch into the same space here. So here we made our first wing and this is how it looks like. Now let's make the other wing of this side. For that work chain 2 and then make 2 double crochets into the same space. Here into the same chain space we're going to work 2 double crochets. Okay, here we made 2 double crochets. Now yarn over twice and then make a treble crochet into the same space here. So now you know how to make a treble crochet. For that yarn over twice and then pull through 2 loops 3 times. So here we made a treble crochet. Now from here make chain 3 and then make a slip stitch into the same space, into that chain space. So here our first half of butterfly is ready. Now let's work the next side. For that work chain 3, make a treble crochet into the same space, into the same chain space here. For that yarn over twice and then pull up your loop and then yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over, pull through 2, and then last yarn over, pull through 2. So here we made a treble crochet. Now work 2 double crochets into the same space. Here you don't worry about that big gap in that chain. At the end we can gather it and then make it small. Okay, here we made 2 double crochets. Now make chain 2 and then make a slip stitch into the same space. So here you can see we're working into the same space all around. Now let's work the last wing. For that work chain 2. So if you notice we are working the exact thing, we work to the opposite side. Now work 1 double crochet into the same space. After this 1 double crochet make 2 treble crochets into the same space. So this is our first treble crochet and then we will make the second treble crochet into the same space here. After making 2 treble crochet, last we're gonna work a double treble crochet. For that make yarn over 3 times and then insert the hook from the same space and then make a double treble crochet. Now I think you know how to make a double treble crochet. Okay, here we made our double treble crochet. Now at the end we're gonna work 5 chains Okay, here we made 5 chains. Now make a slip stitch into the same space here. So we worked all the wings into the one chain space, and now we done our butterfly. Now from here make chain 1 and then cut off the yarn. If you have a big gap in the middle, don't worry about it. I will show you a technique how to make it small. So now let's hide this yarn. So turn your work and we're gonna pass this little tail through these stitches, and here when you pull this little end you can see it's minimizing the gap. And then you can minimize this little hole more like this. Just pass this tail through that stitches from the behind and pull this loop up and then tie it up. So here you can see it's better than before, just a little bit gap, but don't worry about that gap. When we do the antenna we can hide this. So here I'm taking a small piece of yellow color yarn, and then we're gonna place this on the butterfly like this, and then wrap twice over the butterfly like this. So while you're wrapping you can hide that gap in the middle. If it's not covered, wrap one more time, and then we're gonna do a knot here on the top. So for that, turn your work like this. We're gonna put a knot from the behind. So here put a knot on the top of the butterfly. So here I'm working 2 knots. After 2 knots we're going to cut it off the extra yarn, so just keep a little bit long size of an antenna and then cut it off. Okay, here you go, we made our cute little butterfly, and this is how it looks like. Now you can use this butterfly to a hair clip or headband or any other appliques. If you want to add a hair clip, I have a video how to do that. Go and check out my channel for the video. So I hope you like this video. If you like, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon with another beautiful tutorial. Until that, take care. Bye bye.